Hello and welcome to IndianExpress.com, and today we're taking a look at the Nokia 6, which is back for 2018 but in a new avatar. It has an improved processor, it runs Android Oreo 8.1, and it comes with some new features for the camera. But is the Nokia 6 worth its price tag, which is now 16,999? Let's find out in our review. One thing about the Nokia 6 that's really noticeable and does stand out is the design. This matte black with copper trimmings finish is something that's very unique. It's good to see a phone that doesn't look like a clone of all the other Chinese smartphones that have flooded the market. Nokia 6 really stands out in terms of design, especially if you consider the price. Coming to the display, Nokia 6 still has a 5.5-inch Full HD LCD display. The display quality is excellent and color reproduction is spot on. However, what is missing is the 18:9 aspect ratio that has become so common in 2018. The bezels are still here, and frankly the display feels a bit outdated considering most other players are offering taller displays now. Performance and UI on the Nokia 6 are impressive. The phone comes with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 processor, and it means an improved performance compared to last year's Nokia 6 variant. There's no noticeable heating on this phone either, and it works well with multitasking and heavy-duty gaming as well. The other advantage with the Nokia 6 is that it is already on Android Oreo 8.1, which is good to see. If you like stock Android, then the Nokia phones are the way to go. Sadly though, Nokia is not yet offering this in a 4GB RAM or 64GB storage variant. That's something that the rivals are already doing. Moving on to the battery, Nokia 6 has a 3000 mAh battery on board, and while it might not be as big as some of the other phones in the market, this is one aspect of the phone that the company gets totally right. It will easily last a day with heavy-duty usage, and the fast charging means that you will have this phone to full charge in less than 2 hours, which is very good to see. Moving on to the camera. Now this part of the Nokia 6 I feel has some hits and misses. For one, I felt that there was a definite shutter lag when I was using the app. However, the results are quite good, especially if you're shooting in outdoor lighting or there's ample lighting as such. The color reproduction is pretty good. The images don't look oversaturated or washed out, which can be a problem in most budget phones. A selfie camera I'm not too impressed with. It's pretty much as standard as most of the other phones in the market. Still, the camera is good for its asking price. Now, while the performance of the Nokia 6 gave me no cause for complaint, I do have one issue with the design, and that's the placement of the fingerprint scanner. I would often end up covering the LED light and I would not be able to unlock the phone. I wish this was designed better. So should you buy the Nokia 6? I would say yes, because for its price, this is an excellent device. It has good looks, a premium performance, a battery life that will easily last you a day, and a pretty decent camera. If you think the price is too high, well, then the market always has Redmi Note 5 Pro or the Honor 9 Lite to consider.